Uh, Credit card fatigue is real. You open your wallet and see a stack of plastic, each with a different purpose, a different app, and a different annual fee chipping away at your bank account. It feels like you need a spreadsheet just to manage your rewards, and the mental load of tracking which card to use for which purchase becomes a job in itself. This complexity is the enemy of value. You will inevitably leave money on the table, miss out on credits, and pay fees for benefits you never touch. The promise of points and miles can quickly turn into a source of stress and financial drain if not managed with ruthless simplicity and clear strategy. People sign up for cards based on a flashy welcome bonus, a year later face another annual fee due, and end up with a pile of points in a program they don't know how to use effectively. The core issue: intense loyalty to a single bank's ecosystem. The best path is strategic diversification across the strongest players. That's why a simplified multi-bank approach is necessary for 2026. You need defined roles, one card for this, another for that, and a third for a specific powerful function. We drop new credit card strategies every single Thursday here at CardVantage, so hit subscribe. The hybrid Trinity is a strategic framework, not just a random collection of cards. The core principle is simple: combine the unique strengths of the three most powerful and distinct travel rewards ecosystems: Chase, American Express, Capital One. By hand-picking one key card from each, you create a synergistic system where the strengths of one card cover the weaknesses of another. This diversification gives you unparalleled flexibility and protects you from negative changes within any single program. Chase is legendary for Hyatt transfers. Amex dominates everyday dining and groceries at 4x. Capital One delivers a flat 2x catch-all. Together, they form a complete system that covers all your bases: high-value redemptions, high-velocity earning, and a high-floor catch-all. This strategy is not for the hardcore churner. It is for the deliberate and strategic user who wants a stable, long-term setup. The goal is to minimize fees while maximizing tangible benefits and multipliers. The first card in our hybrid Trinity is the anchor of the entire setup: the Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card. Its role is to be your simple, powerful catch-all card for everything outside your bonus categories. You earn an unlimited 2x miles on every single purchase, everywhere, with no caps or exceptions. This provides a fantastic baseline, ensuring solid returns on your miscellaneous spending. The Venture X comes with a $395 annual fee, but it is loaded with benefits: a $300 Capital One travel credit and a 10,000-mile anniversary bonus. Those two alone are worth about $400, immediately offsetting the fee. New cardholders can also see a 75,000-mile welcome bonus. It also provides lounge access through Capital One lounges, plus Priority Pass and Plaza Premium partners. Note: the $300 travel credit must be used through the Capital One travel portal. Through January 31st, 2026, authorized users enjoy access. Starting February 1st, primary cardholders must pay $125 per AU for lounge access. Also starting February 1st, Venture X cardholders can't bring guests into Capital One lounges for free. Despite these changes, the Venture X remains the strongest anchor card available. Let's do the simple math. The card carries a $395 annual fee. First, subtract the $300 Capital One travel portal credit. That drops your effective cost to $95. Then count the 10,000-mile anniversary bonus, a baseline $100 toward travel. Your effective annual fee drops to -$5. -5. This excludes the value of unlimited 2x earnings and the primary cardholder's lounge access. This clear math is why Venture X is our anchor: a high floor that effectively pays you to keep it. Caveat: in 2026, guesting and authorized user lounge access cost extra. Solo travelers get the most value. Now let's build the offense. Card number 2. The Earner. American Express Gold. It is designed to accelerate points on your largest everyday categories. Food. You earn 4x membership rewards points at restaurants worldwide on up to $50,000 per year, and 4x at US supermarkets on up to $25,000 per year, then 1x thereafter. This is the engine of your point strategy. The card comes with a $325 annual fee, offset by monthly and annual credits structured to deliver ongoing value. Up to $120 in Uber Cash, $10 per month. Up to $120 in dining credits, $10 per month at select partners, plus an $84 Dunkin' credit and a $100 Resi credit. Used fully, that's $424 in credits against a $325 fee. Result: a positive effective annual fee and elite 4x earning. Your daily driver for food. Spend $1,000 a month on dining and groceries. $48,000 points a year approx. $720 in value at 1.5C. Analyzing the Amex Gold requires the same clear math. $325 fee in red versus a stack of green credits. Its value depends on your ability to actually use the monthly credits and maximize 4x categories. Uber Cash and dining alone are $240 per year. That takes your net down to $85. Add Dunkin' and Resi for another $184 if they fit your lifestyle. Fully used, the effective annual fee is roughly plus $99, and that's before valuing the avalanche of 4x points from food. Remember to enroll for benefits. They're straightforward once active. Bottom line, for the right user, Amex Gold isn't a cost center, it's a profit center and the engine of this hybrid setup. The final piece is the versatile and affordable Chase Sapphire Preferred, the flexible traveler. Its strength is flexibility and access to high-value redemptions for a modest $95 fee. Earn 5x on travel through Chase Travel, 3x on dining, select streaming, and online groceries, 2x on other travel, 1x on everything else. Its 3x dining overlaps Amex Gold's 4x, a solid backup. More importantly, it unlocks Chase transfer partners, most notably World of Hyatt, often yielding 2 CMAs per point or more. You also get a $50 annual hotel credit for bookings through Chase Travel. Use it and the effective fee drops from $95 to about $45. A typical 60K point welcome bonus is at least $750 in portal value, more if transferred to Hyatt. This card is the key that unlocks high-value award travel, an indispensable piece of a balanced strategy. First, sum the annual fees. From Venture X, $300 Capital One travel portal credit. From Amex Gold, $424 if you use Uber, $120, dining, $120, Dunkin', $84, and Resi, $100. From CSP, $50 hotel credit. Credits total $774. $815 minus $774 equals a net $41 per year. This is conservative. It excludes Venture X's 10K anniversary miles, lounge value, and 4X earn value from food. For about $41 net, you get a 2X catch-all, a 4X food machine, and the best hotel transfer partner access. Designed for strategic travelers who want maximum rewards without managing a dozen cards. Ideally traveling a few times per year. Households with big dining and grocery spend get outsized value from Amex Gold's 4X. Frequent guest travelers may see reduced lounge value in 2026 due to no free guests and $125 per AU. If you refuse annual fees or can't use the monthly credits, this system isn't for you. In a world of devaluations, the hybrid Trinity diversifies your points, benefits, and redemption options. You get the high-floor 2x of Capital One, the accelerated 4x of Amex, and the flexible, high-value redemptions of Chase. Each card plays a distinct role: anchor, earner, flexible traveler. So there's no confusion at checkout. For a net annual cost that can be under $50, and often positive, you're running a top-tier reward setup. Access 3 transferable currencies for near-universal booking flexibility. This is the smart way to play the game in 2026. We drop new credit card strategies every single Thursday here at CardVantage, so hit subscribe. Not financial advice. Rates and offers subject to change.